Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord. So let's get started. First, let's go open our web browser, in this case Google Chrome. Now I'm going to click on the URL and type discord.com. This greets us with a landing page, and very quickly we're going to scroll down and click on download for Windows. There's also an option where you can use Discord in your browser, but this comes with limited features and it's mostly more focused on the messaging side of things. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the file we just downloaded up here at the top right, and it should open the installer. There we go. Now let's give it a few seconds to run and download some updates and install. And there we go. So it's already automatically logged me in, probably because I've used Discord on this computer before, but we can also manage the accounts here. So say for example, we aren't logged in, we can input our email or phone number. In this case, it's going to be that, and type our password and log in. Once you do so, you're going to be logged in and you can get started using Discord. You have some options here. You can add your friends. You can also create a server or discover any servers you'd like to join. So that was a quick guide on how to download and install Discord. And hopefully soon I can show you how you can get started using some of its other features. I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.